Alright, so here we have our nozzle all finished. You can see the step that was put in there. Nice up close. And you can see completely through the center. Same through the back. That'll be our first nozzle. We're going to make about 8 more of these, and then we are ready to make the front plate for a steel shot, lead shot dripper, rather. Then I'll put the video up on how to make your own lead shot. We're doing all of this, making the nozzles on my lathe. We'll be doing the welding and everything else later. Stay tuned. Bye.